SNSE stock, is this the right time to buy? I'm going to answer everything around that in a short 1-minute video, so watch till the end. Looking at Sensei Biotherapeutics stock, fell down quite hard. You know, 18% down. It's tough. It's really tough. The air starts becoming hard to breathe. But it was like only tough at some point of the week. We were at 75 cents, which is pretty sick. But it's still a bearish range. That's why it's so tough. I mean, with this turtle outlook, man, it was just consolidating. Yeah, we had some weak outs or whatever, which is nothing special. For me, it's not going to be a bullish market from a day/swing trade perspective unless the price breaks with a full candle close above 70 cents. Not just once, double time. And I'm really curious if I have anything SNE related here. Sure thing I do. SNSE here. Nope. If you want to make more money trading in a simple and lean way, click the first link in the description. That's free sauce. Goodbye.